So the rebuild process has begun. I got some new parts. I got new jug, piston, starter, and a new block that I got for decently cheap. It's missing the oil pump and the water pump, but old engine had them, so that's fine. So yeah, I ordered the jug with 2 pistons. This is one of them. This is actually a Westco high compression piston, so I'm going to use this one because it's a little better quality. But yeah, so this is going to be fun. We get the bottom together, and then I'm going to put it in the quad, and then I'm going to put the head on because these bolts have to be tightened pretty tight, so it's going to make it a little bit easier. So that's what I'm going to be working on. This is how far I've gotten. Pretty much everything's on it. Clutch, oil pump, whatever, shift linkage. That's all in there, so that's all good. Well, it's the next day. Last night I got the engine in, I got the head. It's just sitting here, I gotta torque it down. Yeah, that's about it. Everything's assembled on the bottom. That's what you want to call it. I don't know. Today I'm just going to work on doing the finishing touches, torquing that down, getting all the hoses hooked up, covers back on, and all that. So I'm going to start by torquing that down and getting camshafts in and all that. So yeah. First round of torquing is done. I gotta do 2 rounds. You can see that I gotta torqued it to 22 and then 51, and then I gotta loosen it, tighten it to 29, and then I gotta rotate it 180 degrees. So I'm gonna sit here for a minute because they want you to let the head gasket set or whatever. I don't know. Polaris Predators are a pain to do the heads on. For that reason. So. She's all back together. Everything's all buttoned up. Still gotta put the chain on and tighten the swing arm bolt, but it's got coolant in it, oil in it, and I'm gonna see if it fires up.